What's up, guys? Wade here for Wired Kustoms Motorsports. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Audio Dynamics ADX8.1. It's a very new product that I think they only shipped in about 25, 30 of them. So we're going to open it up here and let you guys see this here. So very excited to have this product here. Okay, it will definitely be replacing a few things that were wrong with another brand we have here. So let's open her up here, man. Give you guys a sneak peek at this. This is actually going to go in a pretty big build that we have coming in next week. Really excited to show you guys that one too. Open it up. It's got the plastic. Looks like it does come with a top plate here. Okay, really like these top plates here because you and I know you mount the amplifier this way, the wire's got to go this way. This allows you to flip it any way that you want here. If it's up there, if it's up there, flip it there, flip it there. Nice etching there. And I do believe you can get these in different colors. I believe they come in red. I don't know, but we got this one in blue. That's what the customer requested. As we go in here further, I just want to point out this is very well packed here. Okay, I definitely have to point that out. I have seen some really horrible packing from some of these manufacturers. Oh boy, look at this. All right, there she is. So we're gonna take it open this way. All right. Now, I do encourage people to be very careful. I've seen plenty of people, they put that razor blade down here, man, and they scratch that amplifier. No good. So definitely be very careful when you're doing that. All right. Open it up. Open it up. First thing I notice here, this is a very thick cable for the bass knob. Normally you get that little flat type. This is a very thick cable. I wish I had a different one here to show you guys to have it, but man, this thing looks very good. Let's go to the bass knob itself here. Let's open up this knob. Might just be me here, people. Again, this is no takes here. We just open it up as we go. Some people like to pre-open it. We didn't do that. This is definitely the first time we're seeing this. Knob. It's got your voltage readout there. Looks like it's got your power, PRT, not sure what that is, and your clip indicator. And it's got a knob here, so you might be able to toggle through functions of the knob. Another thing I do like, it's engraved with the logo up top there, which is very nice there. All right, now let's get to the actual amplifier here itself, people. All right, let's take this. Let's open her up. This is all what you came to see. You guys didn't come to see me. You guys didn't come to see a knob. I get it, all right? So let's just get to the amplifier, I'm one of those people, I hate when people talk. So I'm actually gonna apologize because I was talking. I just like the people to get to what the video is. But here she is, guys. Triple inputs. Very nice. This thing is heavy. Go to the side here. Tiffany style RCA's there for you. I'm wondering what select they have. Subsonic, low pass. Actually does have a phase, which is pretty cool. And it has your master and slave switch here. And I do believe these are 8-gauge speaker terminals. Very nice though, but she is a beauty. Really love the heat sink on this, okay? And here's your plate here. Again, you can mount it here if it's this side, or if it's flipped the other way. I really wish more companies would actually do this. Include the plate with it, because it's definitely annoying when it's upside down and you don't really have a choice but to have it upside down. Take off these screws right here, it looks like, and you just put them on here and this will lay right there. Pretty cool. So if you guys have any more questions, hit us up, wiredkustoms.com. wiredkustoms@gmail.com. Just continue it. All right, so we got the amplifier here, okay? Again, showed you the top plate here that comes with it, okay? Now, I do want to show you here, right, that this one actually, what I like here is that you're not actually adding this one. I think this one right here, you can flip this one too, so which is pretty cool, okay? So you don't have to buy the extra one, you know, that's red or clear or anything. You can actually use this one here as we speak. So I'm just taking it off here with the Allen key here, okay? And let's just see for ourselves here, you know? Like I said, we're doing this the same time as you guys are seeing this. I've not opened any of these before. All right. Got that there, and voila.
It is.
Beautiful, see? Flip either way. So standard, you don't have to buy this. So this is very important to me. You don't have to buy this, you can just flip it over any way you want right here. Ah man, this is a very sexy, man. This heat sink is unbelievable. So I'm very curious, okay, because they did say that they use some new MOSFETs in this boy here that no one else has. So let's take a look here. All right.
I'll speed this part up.
I always like to be very careful here, and I know the guy holding the camera is going to want to speed it up, but I want you guys to see my face a little more, okay? So please don't speed this.
Okay? Again, I know people take their time, but also like to take time.
Alright, so we're almost done here, a couple of more. And I don't know if I bought a flat head here or anything to try to prop this up, who knows. Again, we're live, I don't know what's going on. So, oh, you're just gonna do that, huh? You're just gonna take that blade and try to pop it up there? Okay, alright. It's your world, oh, you know what I did? I forgot one of them. See? No edits, okay, sir? This is live, okay? I forgot one. Alright, now you pop that. You just have the blade out there doing it recklessly. All right, thank you. There you guys go. Look at that. She is a beaut. She is a beaut. All right, guys. If you have any questions, hit us up online, wiredkustoms.com, or hit us up at wiredkustoms@gmail.com. All right. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.